hope you stay safe and healthy. Today, I'm going to show you my toys from these two baskets. And Vicky's going to show her ponies. And I'm going to see toys that I don't even remember. And I'm sure some of my toys you have too. This was my Rudolph. I got it from Marshall's. We got this from Christmas.
Got my sister reindeer from Marshall too.
I have Flareon, and I got him from Build-A-Bear. He's a Pokemon fire type. He really a good plushie. He has like fur over here, and he has a long tail.
Yeah, I got this from Disney, and this is so beautiful. Elsa.
I have Pikachu. This was actually Vicky's, but I play with it more than her. This was from Christmas. Another Pokemon, electric type. And it's very fun to play with. You pretend like I'm catching these Pokemon in real life. This is basically the cow who talks on the Hershey Park ride where you can see how they make the chocolates. We got it from Hershey Park. Yeah.
This is Olaf, and then Thea gave this to me in her house.
This is Wendy the Pooh's. This is from Wendy the Pooh. It's the tiger.
Oh. He's Wendy the Pooh.
Wendy the Pooh. You can actually go next because I never watched Wendy the Pooh. I've never watched Wendy the Pooh. That's why I can't explain this tiger.
So wait, so you have the two sisters?
Yeah.
Ah.
And the castle.
Okay. This is my bear from when I was little. I didn't remember I had this until my mom showed it to me. This is from Hershey Park. I got it when I was little. I don't remember how I got it, probably from a shop too. And sometimes I sleep with him, and he's very fluffy and cute. I don't have a washing machine.
Actually, what Victoria says is true. All the plushies we are washing before you put it on your bed, right? So if everyone knows, yeah, you can always wash it before to put it on your bed.
How I just have my pink bear with Gia John, and then I was a baby.
Yeah, when you was born, right? You have that.
She just got born. That was her first thing she ever
I
got.
never seen that before.
It was actually from Build-A-Bear. We had no idea. This is Mickey Mouse. I got him from 2015.
This is Emil when he say peekaboo. To me, and then he say peekaboo, I see you.
That's exactly what he says. This is Combo Panda from Ryan's World. I got it from Build-A-Bear. This was actually the first one. He used to have a Spidey suit, but he gave it to someone else that I'm going to show you right now. But yeah, he used to have a Spidey suit, and he was my first ever bear that I got from Build-A-Bear. I was happy.
I have this dog when I have this heart.
Okay guys, we're done with the plushies. Now I'm going to show you my superheroes. This is Spider-Man. He is my favorite superhero. This is Iron Man. He helps Spider-Man in the MCU. He helps Spider-Man, and they teamed up. This is from Ryan's World as well. Got this from Christmas, and yeah, he's Ryan's robot. He can also shoot. Look.
Oh, you're gonna cut my eye.
This is Star-Lord. He messed up everything in Avengers Infinity War just because of Gamora. And yeah, he's from Guardians of the Galaxy and Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2.
This is Thor, and then he didn't have a hammer. This is
gonna get her own movie this year. This is Doctor Strange.
Yeah, his cape.
He knows how to freeze time and fast forward. This is Ant-Man. He can turn small and huge. That's why his name is Ant-Man.
This is Gamora. She has green face. Look, she's mad.
This is Falcon. I had no idea where his wings went, but he has wings so he can fly.
This is for Star Wars, and then
Her name is Rey.
her name is Ray, and there's a girl. She can move her arms. Daddy gave this to me, and then it's for Christmas.
This is Captain America. He is one of the first Avengers.
This is the same way with the ponies. They're with Fluttershy. Applejack, and then she can't get apples. She wants to be like Snow White.
Oh.
She eat a poison apple. She's sweet. This is Pinkie Pie, and then she went to the movie. This is Princess Celestia, and she can help with her powers. This is the bad pony, and then she has the lights. This is one more. This is Thomas when he can meet in this Valentine's Day. Thank you, Thomas. This is the big one, and then I see my first tonight. And this is the last one. This is her hair is messy, but my mommy didn't give me a ponytail. I got my pony, guys.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. That's not all of our toys, but we tried to show some. I might make another video for you, and maybe I can show more toys. And I hope you have a nice day. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Very nice.
You know what the
Elsa.
okay.
This is Tom, what did you get to this? This is Tor, right? And then Adriana gave this to me. She's a girl. She can move her arms.
Daddy gave it to you.
Daddy gave this to me, and then it's for Christmas.
That has to be a boober.